Hello and welcome to How Much, where I discuss how much YouTubers earn off their ad revenue on YouTube. My name is Cynthia Moses. This channel is for informational and educational purposes only. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay up to date on how much your favorite YouTubers make. So you might be wondering, just how do YouTubers get paid? They make money by running ads on their videos. The money earned is determined by the channel's CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Most channels on YouTube earn a $4 CPM. That's $4 per 1,000 views. That is a very conservative estimate, as CPM is determined by the demographics of the viewers, where they are viewing the video and what time of day it is. The CPM can also be higher depending on the channel's content. The content creator keeps 55% of the ad revenue, while YouTube's cut is 45%. In this video, we are going to look at former WWE and current AEW announcer Renée Paquette. Renée Paquette hosts a YouTube channel that features her podcast as well as cooking videos. Her most popular videos on the platform have several millions of views. Renée consistently earns several thousands of viewers per upload. In this video, we'll discuss the ad revenue Renée Paquette earns annually. Renée earns 258,365 views per month. Multiply that by 12 and Renée earns 3,100,388 views. With a 4% CPM, let's see where Renée is at in ad revenue. 3,100,388 times 0.004 equals $12,402. YouTube takes 45% of the ad revenue, and Renée keeps 55%. $12,402 times 0.55 equals $6,821. This is only an estimate. Renée has over 174,000 subscribers. She averages around 3,000 new subscribers every month. Renée is also married to Jon Moxley. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if there is a channel you would like us to discuss in a future video. Be sure to like the video by hitting the thumbs up, comment down below, and remember to subscribe if you enjoyed our content. Take care and see you soon.